glance out the window, you follow my steps till us and our shadows are all that is there, and we'll lift off our armor and let the moonlight steal in and lay me down, where the nightingales sing. Lay me down, where the nightingales sing. The power sets the stage, and we're a single star spotlight, where the leads of the play are stories unscripted. This secret show, we'll draw back the curtains, we'll see where it goes. Let our hearts sing the praises, and let the night pull the strings. Lay me down, where the nightingales sing. Lay me down, where the nightingales sing. I'm doing it. It's a dance for you. It's the same old sweet song, tonight and tomorrow, and on and on. Oh, stay with me, sway with me, love serenade, as long as we stand and the band wants to play. And when the last waltz is over and the next one begins, lay me down, where the nightingales sing. Lay me down, where the nightingales sing. Lay me down, where the nightingales sing. Myself to the night. All right, I think that's a lovely warm-up and introduction to the concert. Are you ready to have the biggest kitchen party in the history of